Welcome viewers to the video and introduce the importance of understanding banking rules for financial success. Emphasize that mastering these rules can help viewers make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls in banking. Section 1. Account Management. Rule 1. Understanding different types of bank accounts. Detail the various types of bank accounts including savings, checking, money market, and certificates of deposit, CDs. Explain the features and benefits of each account type and how they cater to different financial needs and goals. Rule 2. Minimum balance requirements and fees. Explain how minimum balance requirements work and how they can vary based on the type of account and financial institution. Discuss potential fees associated with falling below the minimum balance and how they can impact account holders. Rule 3. Importance of monitoring account activity regularly. Stress the importance of regularly reviewing account statements to detect any unauthorized transactions or errors. Provide tips for setting up account alerts and notifications to stay informed about account activity and potential security breaches. Section 2. Banking fees and charges. Rule 4. Types of fees charged by banks, ATM fees, overdraft fees, etc. Identify common fees that banks may charge including ATM fees, overdraft fees, monthly maintenance fees, and wire transfer fees. Explain how these fees can accumulate over time and impact a customer's overall banking experience and financial well-being. Rule 5. How to avoid unnecessary fees. Provide practical tips for avoiding unnecessary fees such as using in-network ATMs, maintaining the required minimum balance, and opting for electronic statements. Emphasize the importance of understanding fee structures and policies to minimize banking costs. Rule 6. Negotiating with the bank for fee waivers. Offer strategies for negotiating with banks to waive certain fees, such as highlighting loyalty as a long-time customer or discussing alternative fee structures. Encourage viewers to advocate for themselves and explore options for reducing banking fees to maximize their financial resources. Section 3. Credit and loans. Rule 7. Importance of maintaining a good credit score. Explain the significance of a good credit score in accessing financial opportunities such as loans, mortgages, and credit cards. Provide practical tips for improving and maintaining a healthy credit score, including paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and monitoring credit reports regularly. Rule 8. Understanding loan terms and conditions. Break down key terms and conditions associated with loans including interest rates, repayment terms, and any associated fees. Discuss the importance of reading loan agreements carefully and seeking clarification on any terms that are unclear or confusing. Rule 9. Strategies for getting the best interest rates on loans. Offer strategies for securing favorable loan terms such as shopping around for the best interest rates, improving credit scores, and considering alternative lenders. Highlight the importance of comparing loan offers and understanding the total cost of borrowing before committing to a loan agreement. Section 4. Online and mobile banking. Rule 10. Importance of secure online banking practices. Discuss the benefits and risks of online banking and the importance of implementing strong security measures to protect personal and financial information. Provide practical tips for secure online banking such as using complex passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and avoiding public Wi-Fi networks. Rule 11. Utilizing mobile banking apps for convenience. Highlight the convenience of mobile banking apps for managing finances on the go, including features such as mobile check deposit, bill payment, and account alerts. Discuss the importance of downloading official banking apps from trusted sources and keeping apps up to date to mitigate security risks. Rule 12. Protecting personal information and passwords. Offer best practices for safeguarding personal and financial information online, including avoiding sharing sensitive information via email or social media. Emphasize the importance of regularly updating passwords, using unique passwords for each account, and implementing security measures such as biometric authentication where available. Section 5. Financial products and services. Rule 13. Exploring additional banking products, savings accounts, CDs, etc. Discuss various financial products offered by banks such as savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, money market accounts, and individual retirement accounts, IRAs. Explain the features and benefits of each product type and how they can help customers achieve their financial goals. Rule 14. Evaluating the benefits and risks of financial services offered by banks. Discuss common financial services offered by banks such as investment advisory services, wealth management, and insurance products. Highlight the importance of carefully evaluating the benefits and risks of these services and understanding any associated fees or charges. Rule 15. Reading the fine print before signing up for any financial product. Stress the importance of carefully reviewing terms and conditions, including fees, interest rates, and any restrictions or limitations. Provide tips for identifying potential red flags in financial product agreements and seeking clarification from bank representatives if needed. Section 6. Customer Service and Complaint Resolution. Rule 16. Expectations for quality customer service. Define what constitutes quality customer service in the banking industry, including responsiveness, professionalism, and empathy. Provide examples of positive customer service experiences and how they contribute to overall customer satisfaction. Rule 17. Steps for resolving disputes or complaints with the bank. Outline the steps customers can take to address disputes or complaints with their bank, including contacting customer service, escalating the issue to management, and filing formal complaints with regulatory authorities if necessary. Discuss the importance of documenting interactions with the bank and keeping records of any correspondence related to the dispute or complaint. Rule 18. Knowing your rights as a banking customer. Educate viewers about consumer protection laws and regulations that govern the banking industry, including the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, Truth in Lending Act, TILA, and Electronic Fund Transfer Act, EFTA. Provide resources for customers to learn more about their rights and how to advocate for themselves in banking transactions. Section 7. Security and Fraud Prevention. Rule 19. Recognizing common banking scams and frauds. Detail common scams and frauds targeting bank customers, including phishing scams, identity theft, and fraudulent investment schemes. Provide examples of red flags that may indicate fraudulent activity and how to avoid falling victim to scams. Rule 20. Steps to take if you suspect fraudulent activity on your account. Outline the steps customers should take if they suspect fraudulent activity on their account, including contacting their bank immediately, placing fraud alerts on their credit reports, and filing reports with law enforcement and regulatory agencies.